Welcome back to Mrs. Dean's Music Class Online. Now, if you were doing the assignment, the first part in the assignment asked you to watch the Mr. Quaver's Notes and Rest video. And if you watched it, well, you learned about all of these notes and matching rest. So let's real quickly do a summary to make sure you understand everything. Mr. Quaver introduced that whole note. Looks like this. It gets 4 beats of sound. And the way that we clap and speak it in music class is like this. Toe, whoa, whoa, whoa. That's 4 whole beats. And then the matching whole rest looks like that. And it gets 4 beats of no sound. And the way we clap it, well, we don't. We rest like this for 4 beats. Rest, 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 rest. And that represents our 4 beats of no sound. Now, Mr. Quaver also taught you about the half note. Looks like that, and it gets 2 beats of sound. We clap it and say this, ta-ah, to represent 2 beats. And then the matching half rest, looks kind of like a hat. It gets 2 beats of no sound. And here's how we rest. Rest, rest, for 2 beats. The quarter note, there's what it looks like. It's 1 beat of sound, and it goes like this. Ta, yeah, 1 beat. And the matching quarter rest, well, it kind of looks like a lightning bolt. Gets 1 beat of no sound. So you do this, rest, for 1 beat. The 8th note, there's what it looks like. Gets a half a beat of sound. Now, if you have 2 of them, a lot of times they'll put the beams together, or they'll actually put the flags together and form a beam. And 2 of them equal 1 beat. Now, here's how you clap 2 of them. You'll say the word T-T when you clap. It's just something fast and quick that you could say. And then the 8th rest, well, there's what it looks like. Looks like the number 7, well, with a nose on its, or a wart on its nose. That's what Mr. Quaver said in this video. He's so silly. It gets a half a beat of no sound. And here's how we do the 8th rest. Rest. Yeah, it's really quick. And then finally, this is a really fast note called a 16th note. There's what it looks like. It gets a 4th a beat of sound. And if you have 2 of them, well, you hook the flags together and form 2 beams. And 2 of them equal a half a beat. Here's how we clap and speak 2 of them. 2. You try it. 2. Yeah, that's how quick. And the 16th rest, well, there's what that one looks like. And it gets a 4th a beat of no sound. It is so fast you won't even know that it passes you. Here's how we would demonstrate it. Rest. You try it. Rest. Yeah, could hardly even see my hands move, couldn't you? Well, anyway, these are all the notes and the matching rest that he introduced to us today in the video. Today, I wanted to show you that you could play mathematical notes by adding and subtracting note values. That's right. Music and math go hand in hand. Let me show you that. I have some music cards I put together, and I want to see if you can add the notes together. Let's try this, and if you need help, look at the helpful hints right up here on the board. Would you add quarter note plus quarter note plus quarter note plus quarter note? Did you say 4 beats? You're exactly right. 1, 1, 1, 1. And when you add all of those 1 beat notes, it equals 4. Bravo. Let's try a little harder one. Look at all those 8th notes. Now I'm going to give you a hint. 2 8th notes equal 1 beat. So, how many beats in all would you say this is? You said 3? That's fantastic. Both of these equal 1 beat, plus another 1 beat, and plus 1 more beat. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. You're exactly right. Isn't that cool? Music and math go hand in hand. Now we're going to combine a few of the notes that you've learned with Mr. Quaver. Let's see. Add a quarter note plus 2 8th notes plus a half note equals what? Do 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 do. You said 4? Fantastic. You guys are brilliant. 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 4. Fantastic. All right, they're getting harder. Ooh, look at this long note. Whole note plus whole note plus whole note equals what? Ah, you guys are so quick. You said 12. That's right. 4 beats is what a whole note gets, plus 4 plus 4. 4, 8, 12. Wow, you guys are so fast. Now let's add some adding and subtracting. For instance, let's try this one. A half note plus a whole note minus a whole note plus a quarter note equals how many beats? Do 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 do. Oh, you said 3 already. You guys are so good. In fact, you knew to cancel this out because 1 plus, or no, actually, that's a half note. 2 plus 4 equals what? 6 minus 4 equals 2 plus 1 is 3. Yeah, that's it. Let's do one more. All right, here's our toughest one. See if you can do it. It's really not very hard. A quarter note plus a quarter note plus a whole note minus a quarter note equals what? Doot, 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 doot. 5 is correct. That's right. This is 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 4 is 6 minus 1 is 5. You guys are just fantastic. See how music and math go hand in hand.